Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video, we have created the cluster and the task definitions. So in this video, we'll be creating the service and viewing that service and finally cleaning up. So let's go ahead and start. So first, let's go to the clusters that we have created. Click the cluster, which is MRT cluster here. And here, create the service. So click create and under deployment configurations, select so family. If you remember the previous video, the task definition, we have created one family which is sample Fargate. So click that, and here I'll just add it as MRT service, and let's leave it as default, which is desired task, and that's it. That's everything that you have to do. And coming to the networking, so you see by default we have an existing security group, but we have to make sure that the security groups uses inbound rule. So where it's allowing HTTP from anywhere. So let's delete it for now and let's create a new one. So let's create a new one and let's say ECS security group. And if you required the definition, sorry, the description, you can add the description as well. But in this case, let's add the inbound rule. So let me add it as HTTP. So by default, we have TCP and the port range. And coming to the source, it's from anywhere. So if you want to have the custom, you can have it. But in this case, we'll be having anywhere. So once it is done, the final is just create the service. So right now we have description. So let's say playing HTTP. So let me create that. So it's in the progress. So let's wait for a few seconds. And once it is done, we can view that service. So where we'll be having that public IP and we can use the public IP. So let me refresh that. We'll be having a few minutes though. So yeah. So once it is created and once your lab is completed, make sure you delete this. So we'll be also looking into that in just a few minutes. So we have successfully created the MRT service, and let's create the task. And here you can see we have our public IP. So let's open that. So once you're in the cluster, click MRT service and delete this. Please delete service, and I'll just click test delete. Cluster. So DL delete MRT cluster delete. So this is how you have to delete your clusters once it's completed. So there is no cluster. You can also delete your to register. There you go. So we have successfully completed our lab. Coming to this video, I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.